Did you know it's still possible to buy a house in America for under $50,000? Across several markets, even near major cities, affordable homes await first-time buyers and investors who dream of building wealth with rental properties. Even if your credit isn't perfect, lenders like Freedom Mortgage, FHA-approved credit unions, and community banks often provide flexible financing options. With FHA loans, a minimum credit score of 580 can get you started with only 3.5% down. Plus, buyers with scores as low as 500 might still qualify, though a larger down payment is needed. Here's the best news. You don't need a huge income. At this price, even buyers earning close to minimum wage could qualify, depending on their debt and employment history. So whether you're searching for an affordable place to call your own or your next investment, buying a home under $50,000 could be your smartest step toward building a bright future.